No. I am approximating and I don't know exactly what this is going to look like, and that's okay. I'm just kind of excited to try it.
Is this like for a candle?
No.
No.
They're really wet though. Okay. How many darts should I do? 14!
Solid 7.
I'll do 3. That sounds fun. Okay, I am estimating the size and place and shape of these. They don't have to be the same, but they are going to be for my demo. This might be sticky. Okay, so these are kind of small. We'll see what happens. Since it's super so wet, I can join these without a whole lot of stuff, but I think I'm going to just score to be safe.
So is this the best time to do this, when it's still wet but it's set for a little bit?
Yeah. So we have these two that were thrown like when I was going to do this demo the original time, and they're a little too dry to do this process. Does that make sense? Let's see if I can make it work. Come on. It has to be, this is probably just a little wet, but it has to be wet enough so you can actually move the piece together. If it's too dry, what would happen? It would crack, yeah. And also it's helpful if they'll actually stick together, which if they're too dry, they kind of don't want to. I mean, you can score them and stuff, but this, they're like.
So can you dart the other way?
Explain.
Like instead of going in?
Yeah.
Is that thing?
Try it. That sounds cool. Okay, so then if you look from the top, it's kind of a triangle, which is pretty interesting. And maybe I would do another dart down here. So then there would be like in alternating spots. That could be kind of cool. Does that make sense? Let's try one more like idea over here. This bottom is pretty thick, but let's do, this is like just a little on the edge. What kind should I try?
Do the single pointed dart cut. Wait, whoa, that one. 4.
Yeah.
Number 4?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I'm doing darts where I actually can, because they're not as wet, I can use it as a trace.
The chocolate cake.
Yummy. Chocolate, I love chocolate cake.
The
Scoring.
Scoring, yeah. This one's a little bit drier, so definitely want to score this one. Probably even put a little bit of water, not too much. Okay, and then to get this to move together, I have to like kind of jiggle wiggle it, because it is a little firmer, you know? And actually doing it a little firmer will give you a more kind of precise edge, so you can play around with that. See how that one's like so squishy? Probably optimally it's like somewhere between these two. But there you have it. Now this base is too thick, so I would need to do something else with the base. I could shave it with my what do you call it thing? Surform. I could grade it off. I could pinch it out and make it into feet. I could do whatever I wanted, but I can't just leave it. Okay? Just leave it. Did you guys want to see a handle? Okay. There's like a lot of different ways you can make handles.